Oh, so what is your name?
Mags.
Max.
Yes.
Very,
What?
very expensive name your.
I
So may I know how old are
My
you?
name is this one.
Tell me, listen to me. May I know how old
What?
are you?
You guess how old I am?
Wait. 25 or 30.
I think I am.
So what do you do right now?
I'm.
Mhm.
I'm cleaning the. I'm cleaning the house.
What is your favorite color? I think
My
yellow.
friend.
I think yellow, right?
No. I like food shopping. You spill it.
So
No.
may I
I.
know?
Oh,
May I
sige.
know where from?
Olivia, please. Now you have.
May I know where from? You are a beautiful.
Where?
You are a beautiful.
Yeah, thank you. So that's where I'm from. Land from beautiful ladies who never get age.
Yeah.
You know where it is?
Can you guess my country?
Is this?
Can you guess my country?
Oh, sige, you guess.
I think you're from
So you're from.
I think you're from Philippines who are Canada.
You hear my Canada? Me?
Yeah.
No. I'm just here staying in the Philippines. I brought it here in the Philippines.
Yes.
Never think of going anywhere.
Yeah, I know you're from
I
Philippines.
know where you're from. I know where you're from.
Okay, please tell me.
I think you're from. Are you from
Listen to me.
Indonesia? I think
Listen to me. You can't
Indonesia. Yes.
guess my country. No, not Indonesia.
Why?
Guess my country.
You're from Kashmir?
No. And look at my face. What type of my face? Do you know Bangladesh?
India.
No. Bangladesh.
Yeah, I am. I know.
Yeah.
Are you from Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Hi, Bangladesh. Ay, di like that. How old are you? You're 19, 20?
No. I am 16. 16.
Oh, you're very young.
Yeah, of course. I'm
Oh,
very.
you're younger than my you're my younger than my kuan, my elder baby.
He's a
Eldest
ashamed.
baby.
He's a ashamed.
I'm hey. Well, wait. I'm gonna ask you. You're 16.
Yeah, of course. I'm 16.
Di ba at the young age you cannot.
Yeah. So.
Di ba? 16 is a minor. You cannot. Why are you in Bigo? Bigo doesn't allow young.
Yes, I know, but I am a YouTuber. I am making a video on YouTube, on online,
Okay.
and as well as I'm.
So where are you now? Are you in Bangladesh?
Yeah, of course I am.
You live in Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Ay, hindi ko talaga matapos-tapos yung nila.
I don't understand your talk.
Yeah. Huh?
Please tell me English. Can you please? I'm following you. Can you
What?
please follow back me? Can you please follow me?
Oh yeah. Okay, no problem.
What type
Thank
of
you, Ruman.
What type of pig your devil pig?
What time?
Ghost pig.
During live?
Yeah.
What? Ghost?
Okay. Do you like traveling?
Yeah, I like traveling, but I don't have enough funds. I don't, I don't have enough funds to go anywhere. So just now I'm just staying in my house. Never been travel.
Okay.
How about that?
Understand. So how many member do in your family? Do you have in your family? How
Oh,
many member in your family?
we are big family.
Big family.
Yes.
But
Ah,
me
just three, your mother and your father and you.
and me. I have no sibling.
Hi naman na si. Ah, okay. You have two. So all in all, you are five, including the parents.
Yeah. I have no sibling.
Ah,
Just only me.
okay,
I'm
okay.
only one. I hope you got it.
Ah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're not sad?
I'm sad. But okay. Nice to meet you.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Can you say?
Yeah, bye-bye.
Okay. Wait. Can you say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim?
What is that? What's that,
Bi-
miss? Miss?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Miss me live Amrahim? Is that right?
Yes, right.
What is that?
This is
What is that?
this ayat. You don't understand. Okay.
Yeah, I don't understand. So you need me
Okay.
understand now.
Do you speak Bangla? You don't speak Bangla, right? Okay, please tell me. আমি
Ami?
ভালো
Ami?
আমি ভালো
Al Ami Halu?
আছি
Asi.
it means good I'm good
Ami.
it means I'm good
Are you? I'm good. I see. Oh, Ami are good. Ami,
আমি ভালো আছি
huh?
okay
Wow.
nice to meet
So
you
you,
I will
nice to meet you. Bye
okay I
bye.
will go to school for exam
Ah, okay.
okay
Have a nice day. Have a nice
have
day.
a